Let's jump right into it. So let's go ahead and let's go over a couple different stocks that you can trade if you don't have any money. So the first stock is going to be Bank of America, Bank of America Corp, BAC. You guys can find this in your MetaTrader, or you guys can find it when you're searching up different stocks. Now, Bank of America is really interesting. The reason why it's interesting is because if I go ahead and take out this rectangle tool right here, we can see that Bank of America pretty much just consolidates at 32, not 33, 27. So now with Bank of America, it doesn't really move too much during a month. It only moves about, I'd say, $1.50 to about $2 an entire month. Now, with that being said, of course, your profits aren't going to be big unless you're investing a lot more, you're putting a lot more into the stock. But what that also means that is good is your losses will not be big either. So you're going to want to be focusing on these stocks that are, $30 per share, $15 per share, $10 per share, because you're not going to make that much, but you're also not going to lose a lot. So if you have a small account with like $100, $200, these stocks can be good for you. So Bank of America is going to be one. General Electric is going to be a good stock as well. GE, General Electric, pretty much moves kind of slow. Now this stock is at $12.30. Now this stock is definitely a lot lower than Bank of America. But what we can go ahead and what we can see is, this stock obviously moves a little bit quicker than Bank of America and moves a lot more than Bank of America, but it's not anything like Netflix in the hundreds or like Amazon in the thousands. You're going to want to stay away from those kind of stocks, especially if you have a small account. So these two stocks are going to be great for you to go ahead and trade if you have a small account. You're going to want to keep the losses small, and you're going to want to keep the reward big.